Okay, hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be from June 16th to the 30th. I am a little late this time, sorry about that. So, what I'm going to be seeing is I'll be seeing your current situation, what's going on with you, and basis that, we'll be looking at the outcome in the next 14-15 days, what you can look forward to. So, if the current situation resonates, then there is a high chance that the outcome will also resonate with you. Also, while watching, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. So, and I'll be ending the reading with a couple of cards from the universe in terms of guidance for you. Alright? Okay. So, let's see what's going on with you, Cancerians. Presently, what's going on? Currently, what's going on? What's going on currently with Cancerians? Okay. Four of Cups, Temperance, the Sun. Okay. So, in terms of your present energies, Cancer, I see you a little bored. I don't see you too much in action at this point. You are observing a lot of things. You are thinking about the past, present, and future. You are trying to visualize where does your happiness lie. You are going back to the past and seeing that maybe there were some mistakes that you made and if they can be rectified or not. Okay, you're going in that direction. You're thinking around those lines. I'm also seeing somewhere it's right now, whatever thoughts are coming to your mind is divinely guided with the Temperance right in the middle. It's because the universe is actually pushing you to think about your situation. Alright? The universe is actually wanting you to observe certain things, understand certain things, and grow with it. Okay? I'm also picking up that somewhere you could be thinking about your future in terms of, I don't want to make the wrong moves at this point. I want something that is like you're tired. You want something that is stable, that stays with you, that is long lasting. You don't want to be hurt again. That energy I'm seeing. So you're planning very, very thought, like you're thinking about each and every move very correctly. You don't want to take a hasty decision. You want to keep it as simple for yourself as possible. Okay? I'm not seeing you in the energy of rushing into things. You want happiness, but you are thinking through every possible thing. So if this resonates, now let's see what can you expect in these 14-15 days to come. What can you expect, Cancer? 4 is being repeated quite a number of times. 4 of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, 10 of Swords, 6 of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, The Hangman, yeah, I knew it. So basically, Cancer, you are actually in the energy of not wanting to repeat any kind of mistakes of the past. You're thinking about the past a lot at this point. I am seeing you in the energy of holding on to your heart and your emotions very tightly because you're scared of being hurt again. I do feel that you could be having some suitors who are wanting to explore something with you, but you're fearful. You're scared. I can see that. You're scared. You're not sure if you can handle this any longer. There is a lot of anxiety around this whole situation. You want to relax, like you don't want to think too much. You're pretty caught up, I can see, and you are slowly, gradually wanting to. So basically, you're changing as a person, I'm getting. Like maybe if in the past you've taken decisions in a haste, okay? You've been an adrenaline junkie, alright? And you've like explored things that have just excited your soul, like without even thinking twice. You are not going to do that anymore. That's what I'm seeing. You want to be sure before exploring anything. And you're thinking a lot, by the way. Should you do this? Let's see that. Yes, you should think right now. I don't think that you should stop thinking. It's okay to take control of your life sometimes. I mean, I would see you. I mean, over controlling is also not good. But if you are feeling the urge to control certain things, to have a check on certain things, it is divinely guided. So please do it. Don't hesitate. I would say keep doing it. Because the point is that you've been hurt. I can see that you've been hurt and you've become very thought through in your head. You are just very you want to be very precarious. Like you want to make sure that anything that you do at this point is thought through. However, I feel that there is some offer coming your way from a person. Okay, this could be stable, but I'm seeing you thinking so much around it. You're not going to like sign up for anything and everything at this point. That's what I'm picking up. Okay, now let's see what is the advice for you from the universe. What is the advice for you from the universe? Okay, I have 2 cards, I'll take them. Face your adversities and think through things. Yes, what you're doing is absolutely correct, and this is resonating with your overall reading. See, at this point, you're actually being told to think through everything. Alright? Think through whatever your plans are. Face everything. Face your adversities, which is basically maybe you've had that pattern of not I've put up a lot of posts on Instagram which talk about escaping pain. All right, escaping pain is never the solution. You should face your pain. If you are sad, allow yourself to feel sad. If you are happy, allow yourself to feel happy. Okay, all I'm saying is face it. That's all. That is the advice for you. And take this time, actually think. Thinking is never wrong. Alright? Okay, so that's what I have for you, Cancers. I hope this reading resonated. Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear from you. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon again with another reading, zodiac, pick a cards, whatever. You can follow me on Instagram. I do collective check-ins over there just in case if you're interested. I'll see you soon again. Take care. Bye.